I knew my husband was struggling before he ever said it out loud. We had barely made it 3 minutes down the road when he slowed down, breathing heavier, waving for us to stop, as if something fascinating had suddenly appeared at the neighbor's recycling bin. It wasn't dramatic, just one of those moments where the body reveals the truth before the mind is ready. But the real story started a week earlier in a doctor's office that was far too bright for news like that. No threats, no drama, just a simple sentence about how change becomes more expensive for the body after 60. We didn't talk about it that day. We just went home and tended to small tasks, pretending everything was normal. The reckoning came at 3 in the morning. He was sitting at the dining room table with a lamp on when he finally said, "I think I need to make a change. Not a speech, just a sentence. And sentences are how grown-ups begin." Our plan was embarrassing simple. Read more, walk more, order less. And like all adult change, it went through phases. Lots and lots of irritation, boredom, routine. But somewhere between the pages of books and the loops around our neighborhood, something shifted. Not dramatically, but quietly. Hope arrived in the ordinary. We didn't become new people, we just started participating in our own lives again. One book, one walk, and one tiny decision at a time. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com. Thank you.